Hi YouTube, this is Michelle. I'm going to be taking you along with me as I go to Walmart to do another shopping vlog. So please remember to like the video and subscribe. I'm hearing a chirping sound. I'm wondering where that's coming from. Oh, maybe there's another bird in the store. Remember a few weeks back on one of my blogs, I had a bird was caught, or wasn't caught, was flying around in the rafters up here. Today, I need to pick out a new moisturizer. I'm in the market for something for aging skin. Nothing too expensive. This is what I'm currently using, and I've run out of. You know what, I think I'm going to pick up another one. I have the cleanser as well. Yes, so this is a Derma E Vitamin A Renewal Cream, and it's supposed to, where's the instructions here? It's supposed to diminish the appearance of age lines and wrinkles on the skin, leaving soft, smooth, and supple. I heard vitamin A is really good for aging skin. So we're gonna give this another go because I know that I like it. Okay, moving on. We're just gonna have a tight squeeze here. Don't believe I need anything in the cosmetics, though it's always tempting to try new things. This could be fun. Maybe I'll do something like that with Vera this weekend. We'll do face masks. Okay, so we are good for what I wanted from the cosmetics area. I'm still good for body wash and my other toiletries. So we are going to move on. I showed you the last video, the new spring things. So cute. I remember showing the mugs already. Beach towels. Now I'm just looking for things to purchase. I'm not really in need of any of these things. Let's see. Pocket spring mattress. Now see, that's really interesting. They've got a pocket spring mattress in this box here, but it's rolled up. I think that would like damage the springs. I know that they do that with foam mattresses. I am not in the market for any new furniture. So I'm just going to bring you guys along with me. I actually need to pick up some pens for work. I am constantly losing pens, and I don't want to spend a lot of money. So I am going to try and find the least expensive Papermate. I wish they had this brand, the Papermate, in only blue, because I don't use the red. But maybe I'll keep the red for Vera, and I'll just use the blue and the black. Okay. Moving on. I actually want to see what they have for phone cases because my phone case is cracked. So I will turn you guys back on when I get to the phone case department. I didn't see any cute options, so I'm probably just gonna order off of Amazon or maybe look at Claire's and see what they have there. Oh, I am walking towards the grocery because that is all I need now. I picked up my face cream, my pens, I'm good to go, just groceries. So I'll start you guys up again when I get there. And here we are. Again, I'm worried about the music in the background, but there's a lot of other noise as well. So I'm hoping that it gets drowned out enough that I don't have to mute the video. Okay, so this is my new favorite food, cappuccino. Love that. So I'm going to grab one of those. I saw the deal was 3 for $8, but I don't need 3 yogurt cups. So after that, we're gonna move around. Oh, whoa, I'm seeing something else here. Hold on. Okay. Coming over to the coffee creamer now. I'm gonna grab this one here. Next, I am going to grab a milk. Okay. Where's the pizza? I don't need anything from the frozen fruits. Oh, here they are. I love these. These are great for a fast meal, but they do not come with salsa packets. I remember I used to purchase them a couple years ago before I got back into them. And they did, so I'm thinking that's probably a result of downsizing or shrinkflation, something like that. So anyways, I purchased the salsa separately, but I still enjoy these. Okay, so now we are near the pizzas. I'm gonna grab, as you guys know, the only pizza that Vera will eat. I'm hoping we'll be able to find another similar pizza after Delicio is no longer in Canada. Kind of a bummer that they're no longer going to be selling in Canada. Let's see what else here. Around the corner. No, I don't need anything in that aisle. Yes, I want to go down this aisle. What's he doing? Okay, now let's see if I can find what I'm looking for. Ginger ale, 0 sugar. This is it right here. And in the cart you go. Well, of course I have to get Starburst, and I did not like, I thought I would enjoy the unwrapped minis, because one of my little pet peeves of this treat is having to unwrap each individual piece. but they tasted different. They were a different texture. I thought that they were going to be exactly the same, just smaller. That was not the case. Anyways, moving on. Excusez-moi. Look how empty the tuna section is. No, I don't want the sun-dried tomato. It was empty last week too. Actually, I'm going to be going over in this section. Excusez-moi. Italian soft. Mild Italian. What's the date on those? February 24th. We should be okay. Should I get some chicken? Raised without antibiotics. What's the date on here? February 24th. Okay, we're gonna give these a go. This is a favorite in our house. These are a great snack for school. I am in need of a pair of glasses. Okay, they seem to have mixed adult styles in with children's styles. These are cute. Ladies. What do we think? They're cute. These will do. Okay, so they have some really cute things in for spring. These dresses. I love those. Sorry for moving the camera around too fast. This dress is adorable. Unfortunately, they just have the small and the extra large. Not my size. Okay. So that's really cute. I like that. That's a cute bathrobe. I could get another bathrobe anytime. Let's see here. Oh, this is this suit. I just think it's so cute. It's like a grige and it's knit and it's so soft. But again, they have large, extra large, and XXL size in the pants. Ah, that's too bad. Shoot. Yeah. I have to find out when they get their new stock in so I can be here and get the pickings, get my sizes. Okay. Enough of this. I have to get back to grocery shopping. You guys know where I'm going. Actually, I'm going to stop and grab a couple of these cucumbers first. There we go. My cart is getting nice and full, but I am going over to have a look and see if they have the apple fritters that I enjoy. Tight squeeze. Okay. I think I'm out of luck for the apple fritters too. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna start to pay attention. Oh, I see them. They were in a different place. I tell you, I love these. If you like Tim Hortons apple fritters, you're gonna love these as well. Let's see what else. Berries. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna grab one of these clementines. These look like good ones. Okay, here they are, berries. And what are these? Strawberries. Canada #1 Fresh Market. I don't really like the look of those. I'm gonna grab let's see, those ones look nice, but they already have mold starting on them. Blackberry. Okay, now I'm going to make my way over to the registers. That is everything for today. Thank you for joining me. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I have to share. I was walking near the cash registers and I saw this sweater, and it is, or sweatshirt, and it is just so pretty. And again, it only has extra small, extra large, and then double XL. But I think I'm gonna grab it anyways, and it'll be nice and oversized. It is so pretty, and it is $17. Yay, love a steal.